Welcome to YouTube channel. If you're a coin collector or just someone who wants to preserve your half-dollar coins, you might wonder how to safely clean and maintain them without damaging their value. In this video, we'll share essential tips to help you clean and preserve your coins the right way. First and foremost, it's important to understand that cleaning coins is generally not recommended, especially for rare or high-value ones. Improper cleaning can scratch the surface and lower the coin's value significantly. However, if your coin is heavily soiled or has contaminants that might cause further damage, gentle cleaning can be considered. Start by preparing a mild solution of warm water and a few drops of unscented, pH-neutral dish soap. Place the coin in the solution and gently rub it with your fingertips or a soft bristle brush. Avoid using abrasive materials or scrubbing hard. Once cleaned, rinse the coin thoroughly with distilled water to prevent mineral deposits from tap water. Pat the coin dry with a soft, lint-free cloth. Never rub it. After cleaning, proper storage is crucial for long-term preservation. Use coin holders, flips, or airtight capsules to protect your coins from moisture, air, and handling. Keep your coins in a stable, low-humidity environment away from direct sunlight. Avoid using PVC-containing materials, as they can degrade and damage the coin's surface over time. In the next part, we'll discuss advanced preservation tips, handling techniques, and how to protect your coins from environmental factors. Stay tuned for more expert advice on safeguarding your half-dollar coin collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more numismatic content. In this segment, we'll dive into advanced preservation techniques and best practices for handling and storing your coins. First, always handle your coins by the edges to avoid getting fingerprints or oils on the surface. Even clean hands can leave residues that tarnish the coin over time. If you have valuable or high-grade coins, consider using cotton gloves to provide extra protection. When it comes to storage, investing in high-quality materials is essential. Airtight coin capsules are a top choice for long-term storage, as they protect coins from air, moisture, and contaminants. If you prefer coin albums or holders, make sure they are made from acid-free and PVC-free materials. PVC can degrade over time, releasing chemicals that cause a green, sticky residue on coins. To further protect your collection, store your coins in a cool, stable environment with low humidity. Using silica gel packs in storage areas can help control moisture levels. Avoid storing coins in attics or basements, where temperature and humidity fluctuations are common. Lastly, never polish your coins to make them shine. Natural patina, also known as toning, is often desirable among collectors and can even increase a coin's value. By following these best practices, you can preserve your half-dollar coins for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more numismatic tips and tricks. Happy collecting!